the wall do all the talking here. And as you can see, 3 seconds to go, and the first stock which would be on everyone's radar really would be ITC. But you want to start with first the Sensex and the Nifty, and what kind of rates do we have on the Sensex and the Nifty. And for the Sensex, it is a flat start with a positive bias. The breadth for a change is looking much better than what it has looked in a long time, and that in a sense is really cementing the kind of price action what we've seen. So it's a stock which is ITC now 430 rupees, 429 rupees. So let me first mark ITC. Now let's look at some of the small cap stocks, at least the liquid ones here. So the liquid ones, Vodafone, Z, Suzlon, Swan Energy, BSC. What is the price trend? So the breadth I think is looking meaningfully better than what it has looked in a long time, and for me I think that is the most heartening feature of the kind of kind of things which are moving. So the breadth is looking strong, things are moving in the right direction for market per se, and let's see if things really settle, at least for some of these stocks going forward.
Yeah, the ITC of course continues to hog the limelight, so keep an eye out on that heavyweight in today's trading session, and as things stand, it's your top gainer on the Nifty. But yep, lots of other newsmakers to watch out for. Put the spotlight on Cipla. They've got the tentative US FDA for a hypertension drug. That stock is up 1/3%. Shree Cement is going to buy 5 ready-mix concrete plants in Mumbai. They're going to shell out about 33 crores for this. There's Aurobindo Pharma as well. You've got Eugia Pharma, which has started the distribution of some of their products, which is manufactured at Unit 3. A lot of pharma in the spotlight. Glenmark as well. Nirma has completed the acquisition of 75% stake. This is in Glenmark Life. Titagar Wagons has launched the second bollard pull tug for the Indian Navy. So that's keeping it in the spotlight. There's Macrotech as well. Promoters selling shares in the counter at a price of 1180 rupees a share. And Vedanta, SEBI, remember, has ordered the company to pay about 77 crores to the UK holdings, Cairn UK, for the delayed dividend payout. I want to put the spotlight on a lot of those IT companies, the likes of a TCS, as well as Infosys. Do remember at the City conference as well, there was a lot of encouraging commentary that growth is going to be better for FY25, that we're going to see the deal ramp up aiding Infosys in FY25. So across the board, just checking in on the likes of L&T Tech, Tech Mahindra, and of course the heavyweights. Century Textiles in the roadshow, they said they've aspired to become one of the top 3 developers in the country. How is that stock trending? And you've also got an Avenue Supermarts that's on Morgan Stanley's radar. It's an overweight rating with the target price at 44.71. Okay, Kunal, let's get in your take on the market open. Breadth in favor of the gaining side, large caps supportive. What's your first trade?
Yeah, I think it seems like a classic market. Large caps have opened with a positive bias. The premiums for both the indices is on a slightly comfortable note, so that's a positive sign. India VIX at 13.6. Again, that's positive for the markets overall. So looks to be quite of a classic and a perfect start for the markets. Now, in terms of opening trade, I would look at IT stocks, and Infosys would be a stock which I would believe is likely to form a bottom at this 1600 odd level. So that's a stock which I look to trade in the open.
Yeah, in fact, IT is in the limelight on the upside. You've got Wipro, which is active, TCS, HCL Technologies, the entire cluster, along with Infi that Kunal just flagged off, and Tech Mahindra, they're all abuzz in trade today. So, Naresh, I believe it's not IT, but large cap banks that you're looking at?
So, continue to look for a buy on dips for HDFC Bank at 1450, 1460 zones. Expecting a slow and steady recovery here. So, that should be the buy for the day for me.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.